Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE model. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, remove the SIM tray and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. Use a heating pad for this process. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or similar object to cut through the adhesive around the edges carefully. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, remove the back cover. There are 3 different replacement options for this repair: the camera lens with the frame or just the camera lens ring. For this repair guide, we are using the camera lens ring and also the camera lens with the frame. Now, to take out the camera lens, apply some heat to the front side to soften the adhesive. Once the lens is heated enough, gently push from the rear side to remove the specific broken camera lens glass. If the lens is damaged severely, use a tweezer to pull out pieces. And then ensure to clean the surface before installing the lens. Next, install the new camera lens glass with adhesive. Also, there is another method to replace the camera lens unit. First, apply some heat to soften the glue on the rear side of the camera lens area. Once you feel the heating is enough, give a slight push from the front side to take out the broken camera lens with the frame. Next, place and secure the new camera lens with the frame. Most replacement camera lens comes with pre-applied adhesive. If not, you can use B7000 glue on the edges. Gently secure the new camera lens with the frame on the back cover. Finally, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.